Korean Beef Bulgogi. Ingredients: 1½ pounds boneless ribeye steak. Half small pear, peeled and coarsely grated. 1/4 cup reduced sodium soy sauce. 2 tablespoons brown sugar. 2 tablespoons toasted sesame oil. 3 cloves garlic, minced. 1 tablespoon freshly grated ginger. 1 tablespoon gochujang, Korean red pepper paste. 2 tablespoons vegetable oil, divided. 2 green onions, thinly sliced. 1 teaspoon toasted sesame seeds. Directions: wrap steak in plastic wrap, and place in the freezer for 30 minutes. Unwrap and slice across the grain into 1/4 inch thick slices. In a medium bowl, combine pear, soy sauce, brown sugar, sesame oil, garlic, ginger and gochujang. In a gallon-sized Ziploc bag, combine soy sauce mixture and steak. Marinate for at least 2 hours to overnight, turning the bag occasionally. Heat 1 tablespoon vegetable oil in a cast iron grill pan over medium-high heat. Working in batches, add steak to the grill pan in a single layer and cook, flipping once, until charred and cooked through, about 2–3 minutes per side. Repeat with remaining 1 tablespoon vegetable oil and steak. Serve immediately, garnished with green onions and sesame seeds, if desired.